if any building, structure, work or land is erected, constructed or used in contravention of the provisions of this act or of any rule, regulation or order made thereunder, the Director General or any person authorized by him or the authority in this behalf may by order writing require the owner, occupier, user or person in control of such building, structure, work or land to remove, demolish or alter the building, structure or work, or to use it in such manner so as to bring such erection, construction or user in accordance with the said provisions of this act. First up, if an order under subsection 1 in respect of any building, structure, work or land is not complied with within such time as may be specified therein, the Director General or any person authorized by him or the authority in this behalf may, after giving the person affected by the order an opportunity of being heard, remove, demolish or alter the building, structure or work, or stop the use of the land by sealing the premises or land, and in so doing may use such force as may be necessary and may also recover the cost therefore from the person responsible for the erection, construction or use of the building, structure, work or land in contravention of the provisions as aforesaid. Post up, the chairman, vice chairman, members, Director General, officers, servants, experts and consultants of the authority or the managing director of an agency shall, when acting or purporting to act in pursuance of any of the provisions of this act, be deemed to be public servants within the meaning of section 21 of the Pakistan Penal Code. First up, in the event of any conflict or inconsistency between the provisions of this act and the provisions of any other law, the provisions of this act shall, to the extent of such conflict or inconsistency, prevail particularly in matters of master plan, land use and housing functions. First up, on the establishment of the authority under this act, the Town Improvement Act 1922 shall cease to apply. The area and all schemes, projects or works started under the said act